Alright, hey, it's Jordan. Today I'm going to be showing you the shooting test and accuracy of my powerline Model 15XT. It's a nice gun. I did a review on it. So I'm going to be loading a CO2 in it today because there's nothing in there, and a lot of people want to know how to load it. So first, what you do is take the CO2, put the CO2 in. Oh, make sure it's unscrewed. No, it's in there. And then you would put the cap back on, but I'm just going to show you what it does. And tighten it. I know you couldn't hear that, but there was a little noise. And you just put the cap back on. And up here is the magazine. That's where you put the BBs in. So let me load it real fast. Sorry it's taking so long. Okay, there. Now I'm full. Now I'm going to leave you down here by the X can, so you can watch it. Can you see that? Okay. So I'm going to back up a little bit and shoot it. Oh, I can smell the axe in the air. That was a wonderful shot. Entrance wound. Almost exit wound. That was an amazing shot. You can still hear the BB in there. One more shot. Or up here. Okay, I'm not sure how many times I hit it. Let's see, one. Looks like I only hit it twice. No, that's all I see. There's a huge dent right there. So, that's just the review of my new powerline. Oh, dang. Just ricocheted back there. Not smart to shoot at metal. So that's my shooting test of the powerline. If you have any questions, just comment. And thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. There. Did you see the sparks on the first one? Wow.